Hello all, my name is Komali. I'm in chemistry faculty. I have been teaching in a YouTube from 2016 till today. I uploaded almost 300 and plus videos in a YouTube where I discussed various beautiful concepts, electrics I discussed, and I gave a test yourself question in a video. I make the students to solve the question. And last year, by this time, I started my own online classes where I have been successfully now completed 3 batches, and fourth batch is running, that is crash course. And the next batch I am going to start. In this video, I am going to give you the details about the course I am going to start. Next batch is batch number 5. I successfully completed 4 batches. Next batch is your batch, fifth batch, that I am going to start from a July. Total it is a 4-month course. July, August, September, October, 4 months. In this 4 month, I am going to teach you complete class 12 syllabus. So the students who can opt for this course is the students who completed already class 11 and they're waiting for a class 12. I mean, class 12 is going on, or class 11 they completed. Those students can opt this course because they can complete all the entire syllabus of physical, organic, inorganic of class 12 by October end. July, August, September, October. This 4 month you are going to learn. And the students who are currently studying a class 12, due to various reasons you are not able to write this year NEET, or if you write also, you are having little here and there doubts, so that you want to give your 100% effort for the next coming year, so you can select this course. And the students who are taking a long term, you can select repeater, re-repeater, you can select this course. This is entirely class 12 syllabus, and the advantage of this course is the concept you will study from a basic to the depth of the concept I'll teach you. Where see, I successfully completed 3 batches and fourth batch is running. The positive comments mostly I get where I observe a key point, that is the student can clear all his doubts during a class itself. That is the advantage of the course, because when I start any concept, I don't take any concept directly and I don't deliver. I teach that yes, this is a basic. From a basic I start and I go to the depth, so that student will clear his doubts. If any foundation is missed during his preparation, everything he can clear during the class hours itself. That is a main advantage of this course. And one more thing, once after attending this 4 month, give your 4 month time and just to see, by the end of that October, you feel that no need of October end, you will see a day by day progress in your preparation. You will say, ma'am, your classes are just awesome. Before I don't know anything in a chemistry, but after attending your session, I'm getting very good score in a chemistry. That is my big promise for you all who opt these classes. And the fee for this entire course is 6,000 plus GST you have to pay to the government. Whatever the GST you are paying, that is to the government, and fee is a 6,000. And whatever the 6,000 fees, that is for the first 100 students. Fee will vary for the next 101 student onwards. And how to proceed me, how to approach and how to enroll into the courses, I will add my phone number here, and in a description also I will give my phone number. That is the WhatsApp number. You can message, you have to message your 10th mark sheet and a photocopy. If you are a repeater or a long term, I mean already you gave one NEET attempt, you have to send your NEET result copy. And to get an reply, the first thing is you have to send your 10th mark sheet and photocopy, then only you will get the reply. And without sharing the details, it is very difficult for me to respond to your messages. So kindly share your 10th mark sheet and photocopy, and further I will give you the details how can you join into this into these classes. And this is like many students I approached in this almost 1 year ahead, all are very happy with the classes. Why can't you if you have a lots of doubts in a chemistry, or you want to excel in a chemistry, definitely my channel will helps you to clarify what is your doubts. But if you want to study entire syllabus in a systematic manner, one by one chapter, then this course definitely will help you. You will understand every concept in a super crystal clear manner. You will understand. And the students who joining any other classes, you will have your schedules, right? So my classes timings is morning 6 to 7:30, that is a live batch, and evening 7 to 8:30 is an morning. I will take a class and I record that session and I will give that class as an live in a evening batch. Again, I'm repeating, morning I take a live session, that live session I will give evening as in a live. My option is you better choose a live batch because I'll be there. And if suppose if morning batch timings is not suitable 6 to 7:30, then you can select the evening batch. And every day 1 hour 30 minutes is a class, 6 to 7:30. Sometimes I may extend a class little bit, so keep your next class after 8 o'clock only morning, or a night means after 8 o'clock only. Here and there minimum 1 hour 30 minutes class. Here and there it may vary, because if you have any doubt clarification or anything in a live session morning time I discuss, so it may vary. And the most happiest thing in my entire teaching career is these online classes. Just you need an Android mobile, it is enough to attend the classes, because I am going to launch an Android app. Already app is under a process. In this batch I am taking classes in my own app few days, because app is under process, live streaming is done. By the time of your batch, my own app is going to be completely ready, 90%, almost 90% it will be done by that time. If it completes, I'll take my classes through the app, and where you can practice your questions, you can give a test, and here you can see lots of students in a live, because you will on your camera even in app also. Then you can see lots of students all over the India. Then you write your exam and you start comparing. It is like in a healthy environment. You never demotivate when you are in a classroom. You feel that day by day your concepts are improving, and you feel very happy with the classes, because you see a difference in your understanding level of a chemistry, I can say. Instead of telling many things about my classes, you will understand just after joining into the course. I'll give you my contact number again in description, as well as I will add in the video, so that you can message your 10th mark sheet and photocopy to enroll into the classes. See you all soon in my classroom. Thank you so much for watching this video. And my YouTube channel, the students who are can't afford the fees or can't join this extra coaching, you no need to worry. I will support you through my YouTube classes. And thank you so much for all your support.